Morning guys, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 and let me show you how to check total screen time on this device. First of all, enroll the list of all apps and go to settings. Then find and select digital well-being and parental controls, and here you've got some general statistics. If you want to dig into it a bit more, mark it here, and you've got the whole statistics for every day of usage. You can go daily, weekly, however you prefer. You can also mark some particular app. Let me just go to today. Let's go back here. Okay, so you can tap on some particular app and see statistics for this app only. And by tapping here, you can see the general statistics. So this is how it works. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.